They've ever wondered how companies get things done so efficiently, how they produce more, faster, and with better quality. The secret often lies in something called work study. It's a powerful tool that helps businesses improve how they operate. And today, we're going to break it all down. So, what exactly is work study? Think of it as a systematic way of looking at human work to make it more efficient and economical. It's not about making people work harder. It's about making the work itself smarter. In one sentence, it's the systematic study of a job to find the best method and the correct time to do it. Work study is built on two core techniques: method study and work measurement. So, what exactly is work study? Think of it as a systematic way of looking at human work to make it more efficient and economical. It's not about making people work harder. It's about making the work itself smarter. In one sentence, it's the systematic study of a job to find the best method and the correct time to do it. Work study is built on two core techniques: method study and work measurement. Let's start with method study. This is all about finding the absolute best way to do a job. It involves systematically recording and examining how a task is currently done, and then developing an easier, more effective method to get the same result, often while reducing costs. It's like finding the smoothest, straightest path to get from point A to point B. Then, we have work measurement. Once you've found that best method, work measurement helps you figure out how long it should take to complete. It's the application of techniques to establish a standard time for a qualified worker to complete a specific job at a defined level of performance. This isn't about rushing people. It's about setting a realistic and fair benchmark for everyone. So, how does a work study actually happen? There's a basic procedure with 8 key steps. You can even remember it as a sequence: select, record, examine, develop, measure, define, install, and maintain. First, you select the job or process you want to study. It could be anything from assembling a product to processing a customer order. Second, you record everything that happens. This means observing the process directly and documenting every single detail. You need a clear, unbiased picture of the current state. Third, you examine the facts with a critical eye. Think of yourself as a detective on a mission. You question everything. Why is this step essential? Where is it being executed? Who is responsible for it? And how is it carried out? The goal here is to challenge the status quo and dig deep into the details. Fourth, you develop the most economic and efficient method. Based on your examination, you design a new, better way of doing the work. Fifth, you measure the work involved in that new method. This is where work measurement comes in to calculate a standard time for the task. Sixth, you define the new method and its standard time. You create clear instructions so the process can be replicated consistently by anyone. Seventh, you install the new method as the standard practice. This involves training people and getting everyone on board with the improved process. And finally, eighth, you maintain that new standard. You put control procedures in place to ensure the gains are sustained and the new method is followed correctly over time. So, why go through all this effort? Work study is all about enhancing efficiency. It helps you streamline processes by identifying and removing unnecessary steps, which also ensures more consistent quality. Plus, it calculates the standard minute value, or SMV, which is vital for effective planning, line balancing, operator training, and accurate cost and capacity assessments. It's truly essential for improving overall productivity. And where is this powerful tool used? Almost everywhere. It's fundamental in garment factories and manufacturing lines. You'll find it in logistics and warehouses, optimizing how goods are moved and stored. But it's not just for factories. Service industries like banking, hospitals, and retail also use work study to improve customer service and internal processes. Basically, any repetitive work process can benefit from it. If you're considering a career in industrial engineering, work study is your foundation. It's the starting point for calculating standard times, analyzing layouts, balancing production lines, training operators, and driving continuous efficiency improvements. It's a skill set that makes you incredibly valuable in any organization focused on operational excellence. And that's a wrap on work study. It's a fundamental concept that transforms how work gets done. I hope this gave you a clear overview of what it is and why it's so important. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.